Meera Syal is going to try and beat me in the recipe challenge. Ready?
As I'll ever be.
Now, you're cooking something authentic.
Yeah,
Yes?
I'm cooking my my tadka dal.
Tadka dal.
Yeah, which
Lovely.
is a kind of staple Punjabi dish.
Yeah, very much
Very
staple.
simple.
So the idea is that you slate the dish, and I have to come up with my own version of it. So I'm going to do
Right.
a vegetable korma. And so I'm going to use lentils, squash, aubergine, carrot, and you're going to have what in yours?
Basically, tomatoes, lentils, and spices. It's very basic. That's
Fantastic. I cannot believe I'm cooking vegetarian food.
Do you know what? I
in
was
a
just
challenge
thinking that. It's a bit
head-to-head
of a
with
climb down for you, Mr. Meatman, isn't it?
My God. Now, why did you choose this particular dish?
I cook it a lot. It's a real favourite with the family. And, of course, lentils are really, really good for you.
Does it make you fart?
Yeah.
Really
Yeah.
badly?
Well, not me. I'm a lady. I don't do that.
Yeah, why is that? Ladies don't fart.
We don't fart. It's never. We blow our noses very loudly and we expel the air that way.
My wife farts.
No, don't say that.
And then she blames the children, which is so unfair.
Yeah, children are very useful for that, aren't they? And dogs.
Fantastic.
I'm so glad we're talking about bottom things while we're cooking. This is lovely.
I know.
Now, my God, your ring's enormous, Mr. Ramsay.
Meera. Dear, oh dear.
My mum's not
Goodness
watching
gracious me, my ring's enormous. Thank you for that, my darling. Right.
I'm not used to talking on such a big thing.
What are you doing there?
I'm basically frying up the ginger, garlic, cumin seeds and mustard seeds, which are going to form the basis of the dal. You have to really make sure that cumin seeds are cooked. They need at least 2 minutes, because if you undercook them, they make quite a bitter taste in the dal, so you've got to be quite careful with them.
Now in here, garlic, ginger, shallots. I'm just going to make a very quick sort of paste and blend them. That helps to thicken the korma and give it some sweetness. What are those spices you putting in there, my darling?
I'm putting in garam masala and
Nice.
Ground coriander.
Lovely. Now I'm using garam masala as well.
It's the all-purpose spice.
Oh, yes. What lentils are you using there?
I'm using a mixture of red lentils and split mung. I find that mung on its own is very watery.
Yep.
And if you mix them, the red lentils are a bit firmer, so you get a nicer consistency.
So onions, mustard seeds, star anise, and cinnamon stick. Now, that's just to infuse the oil, just to get everything going in a way that we're sort of getting it nice and spicy and making the foundation.
And I'm going to pop in a whole green chilli.
Oh, whole?
A rather large green chilli.
That is a very large one.
Yeah.
Yes? Have you been in an Indian kitchen and actually, cooked?
I live in a bleeding Indian kitchen. Why do I need to go to one in a restaurant?
No, but in terms...
That's what I do all
You
day.
get paid for it if you do it in a restaurant.
But I've spent my whole childhood, watching my mum and my aunties cook.
Really?
Oh, yeah, from when I was really little.
Is that how the inspiration for the Kumars, is that how it sort of arrived?
Yeah.
From the family point of view?
Absolutely,
Because that is hysterical.
I grew up surrounded by very strong, funny women, completely away from the cliché of what people think Indian women are about. And food was a huge part of my childhood. Food is a huge part of Indian culture. It's how we connect, and it's...
Yeah.
I think for my parents as well, it's how they keep home alive. When we were little, it was like soul food. Indian food was like the living connection to back home,
That's what food should be about. Food's about love, isn't it? Family.
Food is love. In fact, I couldn't love anyone that didn't love food.
Yeah. Really?
No. I don't like hot food.
No?
I know that seems blasphemous for an Indian, but actually I think a lot of what people mistake for curry is just a whole lot of chilli and not much else. And I think good Indian cooking has layers of flavour in it.
Is that because you get ring sting?
Yeah, I do, actually.
See, it's quite common in chefs, you know that?
Is it?
And chefs love curry, normally Friday night, yeah?
Normally Friday night. But you see, that's the cliche. It's like, yeah, we'll come out of the pub, we'll have a Ruby Murray, we'll eat something really hot that'll impress our mates, and we'll throw it up on the pavement outside afterwards. And that's quite an insult to what is a fabulous and complex cuisine, really.
Yeah, but that's that legendary sketch, isn't it?
Going for an English.
Going out for an Indian
Absolutely.
and sort of overindulgent and going out for an English, which I have to say was one of the funniest sketches I've ever seen.
What are you doing? Can I come and see?
Yeah, of course you can. So, vegetables are in, butternut squash, courgettes and aubergine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I put my almond paste in with the ginger, shallots and garlic.
Almond paste, that's clever.
I'm going to add my lentils now.
Which ones are those, then?
These are the pui lentils.
Pui?
Pui, yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, after that, come back.
High wind factor, I would say,
I know.
this dish. Yeah. Warn your wife.
So, yeah, I know, bloody hell. Are you working on a new series, The Kumars?
No. Well, we've done 7.
Yep.
And I suppose there is something about going out on a high.
Yeah.
You don't want to hang around till people think, oh, God, not them again, so...
Well, it's great, though.
Yeah, it was fun.
That sort of voice you put on, how long does it take you to sort of, get up to speed with that?
Well, it's quite instantaneous, actually.
Sexy grandma. So what are you going to do to yours next?
Oh,
Is that
yeah.
it?
Oh, I don't know. Let me have a look.
No?
How many Asian mothers does it take to change a light bulb?
I don't know.
Don't worry about me. I'll sit in the dark. Hey! No? All right. Please just
That's
don't.
lovely.
That looks all right. And you see, it doubles as a face mask because you can just put your face on here
And steam.
steam your pores.
And steam away.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just finish mine with a little touch more of coconut milk, a couple of tablespoons, freshly chopped coriander, and then squeeze a fresh lemon in there. Darling, what are you doing now? You're putting your garlic in there?
Yeah, it's very simple. It's just garlic, tomatoes.
Yep. And what do you call that, darling?
A tadka. I think it means like a sauce or
Yep.
a topping, maybe. Don't know.
Right. They both simmer now for 20 minutes, then our blind tasters get their hands on it, and then I'm going to win. Simple as that. Now, time for the results of the recipe challenge, and I'd like to say a big apology to all Meera's aunties, because she's about to lose. Ready?
Thank you.
Ready, my darling? Let's plate up. Manage. Good. OK. Curry leaves out. Right.
Dinner.
That looks lovely, by the way.
Thank
You know
you.
that? I'll have a little taste.
Of course.
Oh. That's nice. Shit. There's a spoon. Would you like to taste mine? Damn. Damn.
Quite nice.
Damn. Yeah? Right. Are you ready, my darling?
Yeah.
OK. Where is he? My little French fighter pilot. Right, good luck.
Yep.
Come back with some good news, yes?
Yes, I will. On y va. Hey, hi. How are you? Okay. So dish number 1. And this is your dish number 2.
You can really taste the lentils, and that's delicious.
You can taste the coriander as well. It's really nice. Brings out the flavours.
Nice, subtle
A bit
flavours.
creamy. It's very kind of fragrant.
Should we try it on the bread?
Yeah, lovely.
It's a really
I'll try that
nice
one
consistency as well.
Yeah.
Should we go on to the second dish?
Clean the palate.
Okay, let's try this one.
This one looks quite greeny, doesn't it?
Colours,
Yeah.
It's got mush.
Peppercorn, no.
A lot of flavours in this one.
Very different.
Good mixture.
Stronger, isn't it? Stronger taste.
It is, yeah.
Much more
I think there is mustard in it.
bit punchier.
OK, mon ami, how will our tasters? Are they happy?
Yeah, very. They love both of them, by the way. It's very close. But the winner for this time
Yes.
is...
Come on, stop fucking around. Who's the winner? Yeah! Oh! Yes! Can I just say that was delicious?
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
And you've been an absolute star, and that's one of the most exciting challenges I've ever had.
Oh.
Meera, check, please. Thank you, my darling. Well done.
Now, fuck off out the kitchen. I'm taking my tin with me.
Yeah, of course you can. Thanks, mate.